Hello students, filling the OMR sheet correctly is very important. Any mistake can affect your results or even lead to rejection of your sheet. Let's go through each section of the OMR sheet carefully so you can fill it without any mistakes. Here's how your OMR sheet will look. It has different sections for you to fill in your details. Let's begin with the student name section first. In the student name section, you will see boxes to write your name in capital letters. Start writing your name from the first box on the left. Leave one box empty between your first name and last name. For example, if your name is Raghav Roy, you will fill the boxes like this. Write R in the first box, A in the second, G in the third, H in the fourth, A in the fifth, and V in the sixth box. You will then leave the seventh box empty to separate your first name and last name. Write R in the eighth box, O in the ninth, and Y in the 10th. Now let's understand how to fill the circles below these. Below each box, you will see 26 circles with alphabets A to Z. Match the letters you have written in the box above with the corresponding circle below and shade that circle completely. If you've written R in the first box, you should only fill the R circle below that. Do not shade any other circle below the first box. If you've written A in the second box, fill the circle marked A below it. Many students make the mistake of filling all the bubbles in the first column under each box. Do not do this. Only fill the bubble that matches the letter you've written in the box above. The roll number section requires you to fill your unique roll number provided by your school. Here's how you fill it. Start from the rightmost box, write your roll number one digit per box, moving towards the left. For example, if your roll number is 2567839, follow these steps. Write 9 in the last box, 3 in the sixth box, 8 in the fifth box, 7 in the fourth box, 6 in the third box, 5th in the second box, and 2 in the first box. Now fill the bubbles. Below each box, you will find numbers from 0 to 9. Match the digit you've written in the box above with the corresponding bubble below and shade it completely. For example, if you've written 9 in the last box, fill the circle marked 9 below it. Your next section would be the mobile number section. In the mobile number section, you need to write your 10-digit mobile number. Here's how you fill it. Write your mobile numbers starting from the leftmost box. Write 1 digit per box. For example, if your number is 98765432210, follow these steps. Write 9 in the first box, 8 in the second, 7 in the third box, and continue until you've written all the 10 digits. Below each box, you will find numbers 0 to 9. Match the digit you've written in the box above with the corresponding bubble below and shade it completely. Now let's come to the class section. You will see your grade written in Roman numbers. Next to each Roman number, there is a bubble. Fill the bubble next to the Roman number that matches your grade. For example, if you are in grade 7, look for the Roman number 7 and fill the bubble next to it. The last and the most important section is the answers section. This section contains all the question numbers and their options. Here's how you fill it. For each question, carefully read the options and choose the correct answer. Shade the bubble corresponding to your chosen answer completely. For example, if the correct answer to question 1 is B, find the row for question 1 and shade the bubble marked B. Do not shade multiple bubbles for the same question. If you do, that answer will be considered incorrect. Important tips to remember. Read the instructions on the question booklet and OMR sheet carefully before you start. Double check your entries for name, roll number, mobile number, class, and answer section before submitting the sheet. Ensure the bubbles are filled neatly and accurately. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your OMR shield is filled correctly for a smooth and accurate evaluation. Now that the instructions are clear, get ready, prepare well, and best of luck for your score exam.